Good morning, students. Hope all are doing fine. In this class, we will learn how to write friendly letters. Before we proceed in writing, we need to know the format well so that we can compose a friendly letter without any mistake. So, students, this is the format of friendly letter. We will begin by writing the address of the receiver on the left hand side corner. House number hyphen A by 20 comma Shipai Bajar comma Midnapur 721101 full stop. Then after maintaining gap, we will write the date, that is 19th April 2020. Make sure, students, no punctuation will be followed here in this section. Then we will write the salutation, that is my dear Rahul. R will be always capital, the first letter of the name, then comma. Then we will write introduction, then comes body, and at last comes conclusion. We will end up by writing the subscription, that is with love, comma, yours affectionately, comma, and your first name, that is Jerry, full stop. So students, as you can see, here is a specimen of a friendly letter. We should discuss this letter in detail so that you can have a clear picture in your mind while composing your own one. So let's begin. Write a letter to your friend inviting him or her on your sister's marriage. Tell him or her about your plan and how much you want him or her to attend the occasion. We will start with house number A by 20, comma. Then comes Robindranagar. Here will be the address of the receiver, as I mentioned, comma, Midnapur 721101 full stop. Then we will come to salutation, that is my dear Rimi, comma. Today this letter is traveling to you with a happy news. You will be glad to know that my sister's marriage has been fixed on 15th June. You are cordially invited to attend the function. Now here, students, while writing the introductory sentence, you have to keep in your mind that has to be a sentence, a statement, not a question. Means you cannot start writing your letter by writing how are you, what are you doing. You cannot write this. You have to strictly follow the format by writing the sentence which has a clear connection to the subject. Otherwise, no sentence will be acceptable. As I have written, you are inviting your friend to come to the occasion of your sister's marriage. So the first paragraph will be completely concerned to the topic as I have written. Then we will proceed to the body. That is, my parents have especially asked me to invite you this time. I hope you will reach here at least a day before the marriage. I'm sure you will not miss the opportunity of meeting with many of our common friends. Do not forget to bring your camera along with you. It will be the opportune time to make the best use of it. Then the last one, that is the conclusion. Let me inform you, you are entrusted with the job of taking snaps of all the ceremonies to be held during the wedding. I hope you will gladly accept this responsibility. Do inform me with the date and time of your arrival in advance and do not disappoint me on this auspicious occasion. Then the last part, that is the subscription. Your with love, comma, yours affectionately, comma, then Kumarish, the first name of yours, then full stop. So students, after having a brief discussion upon how to write a friendly letter, I have prepared an assignment for you. You have to compose a friendly letter on the given topic. Let us read that out. What is the topic? Write a letter to your friend narrating your experience of getting taught online, being locked down at your place. Write to him or her how helpful these methods are and what are the problems faced by you. Ask him or her about his or her experience of going through the same process. So before you begin writing the letter, you have to go through the format well, because a format has a very important role to play while writing letters. After going through the format well, you will start writing. Here I have given certain points that can be helpful while composing this letter. How do you find yourself motionless in these days? Second, what do you think about the new method of online teaching learning process? Third, its merits and demerits. Fourth, how is this different from regular school days? Fifth, what is being felt by your friend? Ask him or her to state that. I will suggest all of you to go through the format well and compose letters as many as you can, because practice will only help you to polish your writing skills. This much for today. Hope this session was helpful. Keep practicing, students. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of everyone around you, and stay happy, stay blessed, stay at home. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.